What's up YouTube? It's Sarah with the Happy Hootie. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. So I have two kids that love to play outside and just play with everything. They collect dirt and sand and mulch and grass, and they mix them all together and they stir it up and they pretend that they're food. And they do this for hours. So what I'm trying to do for my daughter is make up something that she can mix in that would be a cheap little, don't really care that it gets thrown out, but it colors her water and she feels like it's something really super special. Well, I've looked it up online and it's so expensive to come up with powdered chalk or anything like that. So I decided to come up with a way to do it myself. I went out to the store and I bought myself some chalk, just a variety pack of chalk and just some cheap salt. So I am going to actually just mix these two things together to come up with something that she can then play with. So how I'm gonna do that is I've got two Ziploc bags. I got freezer bags just so they're a little bit heavier. That way whenever I put it in here, it doesn't break. I'm gonna stick it in here and I'm gonna make sure all the air is out as I roll it up because I don't want to hit it and it explodes because there's air in the bag. So there's one, and just for extra precaution, I'm gonna put it back in this bag again. And we're gonna roll up the next bag. So now I've got them both in here. So what I'm gonna do is I've got my hammer and I'm just gonna hammer on this and crush it up. And there will still be little pieces in there so you can kind of move the bag around. And you don't want to hit it too hard or else of course you will explode your bag. So I'm going to kind of slowly find through all this again and get it to where it's about dust is what I'm looking for. I got these at Walmart. They were $1. They're just supposed to be for ketchup and whatever at a table, but I figure, hey, they can be used in a restaurant. They can be used in my daughter's pretend restaurant. So I'm gonna get this out. Because of the gallon bags, they did not bust. Just wanna make sure I don't have any big chunks in there. So now that I've got that, I'm just gonna use the bag as a little filter. And I'm going to pour my chalk in there. And as you can see, it only fills up the container about to there. Well, she will dump this out within a matter of seconds. And then that was just a waste of a piece of chalk. So as a filler, I'm gonna use some salt and that will also dissolve in the water. Now, what I did on the other one is I did one piece of chalk and then I just filled the rest of it up. I did a little bit and I put the lid on and just kind of shake it up. And if you want it to be a lot darker, of course you can use less salt. I mean, my salt was 48 cents. So, and the chalk, the whole thing of 24 pieces of chalk was about $2. So I am going to end up making, with these two things of salt and 2 pieces of chalk, I'll have 4 little containers for less than, what, $1.50, maybe $2 max, versus the $10 that they wanted online for them. So it's just a really good money saver, and my kids will be able to play with it outside. They'll get to see the color changes and they can put sprinkles on their cupcakes, or who knows, put icing over the top. Maybe they just want to color in the sand, but they can just mix it off, and as you see, they can just take it and out it goes. So my kids love playing outside, so if yours play outside too, this is a nice, easy, fun, cheap way to allow them to play and use their imagination, which I find huge. I love it when my kids go out and play, so using the imagination's a plus, doing it for cheap, it's a big win. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.